So the derivative of sine of x is equal to cosine x. That is something that you learn very early on in a calculus class. So the first type of derivative you learn is just for a polynomial. Whatever the exponent is, you bring it in front and you subtract 1 from it. Sine is not a polynomial, so how would we apply this? Well, sine can be a polynomial. It's called a Taylor polynomial. If you continue the pattern of this polynomial forever, it will give you exactly sine x. And if you continue the pattern of this polynomial, it will give you cosine of x. Let's use our derivative of a polynomial on this. So we have the derivative of sine of x. Now, what is the derivative of x? It's 1. And what's the derivative of this term right here? This right here, because the 3 is going to be brought in front and it's going to become x squared. And then what's the derivative of this term? Well, the 5 is brought in front and it becomes x to the 4th. And this one, the 7 is brought in front, x to the 6th. And that's going to continue forever. And then this 3 and this 3 factorial is going to drop this down to a 2 factorial. And this 5 and 5 factorial drop to a 4 factorial. 7 factorial drops to a 6 factorial. And that's going to continue on forever. Check this out. The derivative of the Taylor polynomial for sine is equal to the Taylor polynomial for cosine. That means that these two are going to be equal. And so we know the derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x. How exciting. If you guys want more practice with the derivative trig functions, check out this page on andymath.com.